Green is a dynamic diagnostic. VPX is actually going out to the receivers and confirming that they in fact are there. You see display 9 has turned orange. The reason for that is it went to look for this receiver and it's not there. So it's warning you that the receiver is not responding, and it's going to try a few more times. And if it continues to get no response, which it won't, it will turn red. And that indicates to you there is a communication failure, and it's likely that either the box has an issue, the CAT cable has an issue, the network switch has an issue, or maybe even your computer has an issue. And there you see it turn red. Okay, so therefore you need to think about that the displays that are green didn't stay green, they continued to be repainted green. So every 10 to 15 seconds, these displays representations are being updated as to their status. So that is live diagnostics.